Welcome back to TEK Solutions. Kindly subscribe our channel and support us and appreciate our efforts. Have you watched our other tutorials? If not, then please browse our channel and find the other tutorials, or you can find the link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will see how to make visible the hidden files in Windows 11. If you are a new user to the Windows 11 and you have some files hidden which you cannot find, then you need to enable the hidden files property. How to do that? Let's see. For that, I have one folder where I have one file kept hidden, but I cannot see it here. And for that, I need to enable it one property so that I can see all the hidden files. I have it here. So go to this top view button, click on it, go to show, and you see hidden items. This is unchecked. That means it's hidden. If you check it, all the files hidden over here will be displayed in this folder, as well as in any other folder. If you go, you can see that because we are turning on this particular property for all the folders. So now you see we have 5 different files, and as soon as I'll turn on the hidden items property, there will be one more file coming in, that is my hidden file.txt. So this is how we can turn on the hidden files property to see in Windows 11. That's it from this particular video, friends. Please subscribe our channel and support us.